Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Broken Branch Wood Shop. My name is Mark, and this is my shop buddy, Gage. And so we just got through shooting the final part of these blanks being in the resin cast and talking about those. And I said, well, we're going to have to do a video on a pin kit. And we was getting ready for bed. And Gage here had a brilliant idea because we are getting ready to start baseball season and getting ready to do drafts and stuff. And so I actually have a baseball player pin kit over there that's got some really cool baseball stuff on the pin kit itself. And Gage had a great idea. And he said, I know, Dad, why don't we do one of these blanks that you did on one of the baseball kits? And so I told him to come over here and pick out the one that he liked the best. And this is the one that he picked out. So we're going to take it over and start getting it cut down. And we're going to turn this into a baseball pin kit. Super excited how this pin turned out. I just wanted to walk you through real quick. Got the tip of the pin, has the baseball, and it's got some old baseball ribbon that you would have seen on old stadiums hanging down here. the clip of the pen is a baseball bat. And as you can see, the hands and the batter line up. And then to open the pen, there's a little baseball right here. And so you just click that down to open it, and it's like a curveball coming to the batter. That is just super cool to me. And then the cap of the pen is like an old baseball stadium. And then if you turn it up, you get an aerial view of the diamond, the baseball field inside the stadium. And this thing is just super, super cool. All right, guys. I just kind of did a little walkthrough on the pen, and I'm just still really amazed at how this thing turned out. And hopefully the pictures that I take inside here in just a minute will come out, and you'll be able to see, you know, the metallics and stuff that's in this red, white, and blue. And I'm thankful to my shop buddy Gage here for having the idea. We've done our last video with these blanks that we made in our pressure pot over here, and man, just trying to figure out what to do. And he said, well, hey, you were going to make you a baseball pencil or a pen, you know, you could use this to do it. And we've got our drafts. I coach Gage's team, and we've got drafts coming up tonight, and so we're going to be going, and I'm going to use this pen to do the draft for our team. But honestly, I couldn't think of anything else that I would really rather do with this pen. Man, it's so awesome. But, you know, I got my baseball player here beside me, and so nothing else better to do than to give him this pen.
You serious?
Am I serious? Yeah, I'm serious.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bud. He's been talking about this pen, and he keeps telling everybody, no, that's Dad's pen. But I want him to have this pen. I'm proud of everything that he does. He works hard, and so there's nobody else that I'd rather have this baseball pen right here than my buddy right here. What you think about it?
I really like it.
I'm glad you do, man. I'm glad you do. But hey, everybody, thank you for joining in. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it. Give us a like. Don't forget to hit that bell, and you'll be notified of all of our future videos. We'll put a card up in the corner. If you haven't seen the video that we done last, where we done these blanks, you can go check that out and see what we've got here. And until next time, stay safe out there, and we'll see you back in the shop. Have a good one.